So, ano 'tong inventory investment, capital formation at saka national accounts. So, yung inventory investment, yun daw yung, natural resources o resources na nakikita sa isang country, naturally found in that country, and ibinebenta rin sa country na yun. So, yun yung inventory investment. Pag sinabi mo namang capital formation, yun yung kung paano nagkakaroon ng kapital, kung paano nasi-save, paano nagkakaroon ng pera yung isang company o yung isang country. Capital formation. And yung national accounts, yun yung nagdi-describe ng national economic activity ng isang bansa. So, yun. Yung capital formation is may ibang meaning in terms of national account. Meron din in terms of private entity o private company. So, yun yung mga bago nating natutunan ngayong araw. So, yun lang po.